Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. How to store objects and arrays in local storage, a comprehensive tutorial. Local storage is a web browser feature that allows you to store key-value pairs persistently in the user's browser. This means the data remains available even after the browser is closed and reopened, or the page is refreshed. It's a simple and useful mechanism for storing user preferences, shopping cart items, offline data, and more. Crucially, local storage is specific to the domain, origin, of the web page, ensuring data from one website isn't accessible to another. However, local storage can only store strings. Therefore, to store objects and arrays, we need to convert them into strings and then convert them back when retrieving them. This is typically done using JSON.stringify and JSON.parse. This tutorial will cover the following. 1. Understanding local storage basics. 2. Storing objects in local storage. 3. Storing arrays in local storage. 4. Retrieving objects and arrays from local storage. 5. Updating data in local storage. 6. Removing data from local storage. 7. Error handling. 8. Best practices and limitations. 9. Code examples. 1. Understanding local storage basics. Local storage is part of the Web Storage API. You access it through the window.localStorage object, or simply local storage in most browser environments. It provides the following methods. *set item, key, value, stores a key value pair. Both the key and the value must be strings. *get item, key, retrieves the value associated with the given key. Returns null if the key doesn't exist. *remove item, key, removes the key value pair associated with the given key. *clear, removes all key value pairs stored in local storage for the current domain. *key, index, returns the name of the key at the given index in the local storage. 2. Storing objects in local storage. Since local storage only accepts strings, you need to serialize your JavaScript object into a JSON string using JSON.stringify. Explanation ***. We define a JavaScript object myObject. We use JSON.stringify, myObject, to convert the object into a JSON string. This string represents the object's structure and data. We use local storage.setItem, user profile, object string, to store the JSON string in local storage with the key user profile. 3. Storing arrays in local storage. The process for storing arrays is the same as storing objects. Convert the array to a JSON string. Explanation ***. We define a JavaScript array myArray. We use JSON.stringify, myArray, to convert the array into a JSON string. We use local storage.setItem, fruitlist, array string, to store the JSON string with the key fruitlist. 4. Retrieving objects and arrays from local storage. To retrieve an object or array from local storage, you first retrieve the JSON string using local storage.getItem, key, then parse the JSON string back into a JavaScript object or array using JSON.parse. Explanation ***. We retrieve the JSON string from local storage using local storage.getItem, user profile, and local storage.getItem, fruitlist. We check if the retrieved string is not null. This is important because getItem returns null if the key doesn't exist. This prevents errors when trying to parse a null value. We use JSON.parse, stored object string, and JSON.parse, stored array string, to convert the JSON string back into a JavaScript object and array, respectively. Asterisk we can then access the properties of the retrieved object, example retrieved object.name, or the elements of the retrieved array, example retrieved array0. 5. Updating data in local storage. To update data in local storage, you need to 1. Retrieve the existing data, as shown in the previous section. 2. Modify the data in your JavaScript object or array. 3. Convert the modified data back into a JSON string using JSON.stringify. 4. Store the updated JSON string back into local storage using localStorage.setItem. Explanation asterisk. Asterisk we retrieve the existing user profile object from local storage. Asterisk we update the age and city properties of the retrieved object. Asterisk we convert the updated object back into a JSON string using JSON.stringify. Asterisk we store the updated JSON string back into local storage with the same key, effectively overwriting the previous value. 6. Removing data from local storage. You can remove a specific item from local storage using localStorage.removeItem, key. To clear all data from local storage for the current domain, you can use localStorage.clear. 7. Error handling. It's important to handle potential errors that can occur when working with local storage. For instance, JSON.parse can throw an error if the JSON string is invalid. The browser may throw errors if you exceed local storage limits. Explanation asterisk. Asterisk we wrap the JSON.parse, call in a try, catch block to catch any potential parsing errors. Asterisk if an error occurs, we log the error message to the console and handle it appropriately. In this example, we remove the corrupted data from local storage to prevent further errors. Asterisk we also have a try, catch block for storing data. This is essential to catch errors such as exceeding the maximum local storage quota. 8. Best practices and limitations. Asterisk storage limit. Asterisk local storage has a limited storage capacity, typically around 5 to 10 megabytes per domain, depending on the browser. Exceeding this limit will result in an error. Asterisk security. Asterisk local storage is not encrypted and should not be used to store sensitive information like passwords, credit card details, or personal identification numbers, PINs. For sensitive data, consider using more secure storage mechanisms, such as server-side databases or browser-based secure storage APIs. Asterisk synchronous access. Asterisk access to local storage is synchronous, meaning it can block the main thread of the browser if large amounts of data are being read or written. Consider using asynchronous APIs like IndexedDB for larger datasets or performance-critical applications. Asterisk data types. Asterisk remember that local storage only stores strings. Always use JSON.stringify to serialize objects and arrays before storing them, and JSON.parse to deserialize them when retrieving them. Asterisk error handling. Asterisk always handle potential errors, such as JSON.parse failing due to invalid JSON or exceeding the storage limit. Asterisk prefix keys. Asterisk consider using a prefix for your local storage keys to avoid conflicts with other scripts or libraries. For example, myapp_user_profile instead of user profile. Asterisk use sparingly. Asterisk don't use local storage as a replacement for a real database. It is meant for small pieces of data, like user preferences. Asterisk testing. Asterisk when writing automated tests for web applications that use local storage, you can mock the local storage object to avoid interacting with the real browser storage. This allows you to isolate your tests and make them more predictable. 9. Code examples. Here's a complete code example demonstrating storing, retrieving, updating, and removing data from local storage. How to use the example asterisk. 1. Save the code as an HTML file, example local storage _example.html. 2. Open the HTML file in your browser. 3. Click the buttons to store, retrieve, update, and remove data from local storage. 4. Observe the output in the output div. 5. You can also inspect local storage directly through your browser's developer tools, usually found under the Application or Storage tab. This tutorial provides a thorough overview of using local storage to store objects and arrays in web applications. Remember to consider the limitations and best practices mentioned above to ensure you use local storage effectively and securely. For more complex or sensitive data management, explore alternative storage options like IndexedDB or server-side databases.